Hello dear students, welcome to all on this channel. Today we discuss about how to create and use template in the writer document. This is very important topic of this unit. Please watch this video till the end and learn fully concept of the template. What is template? A template is a model that you use to create other documents. For example, you can create a template for business report that has your company's logo on the first page. Now document created from this template will all have your company's logo on the first page. Template contains anything that regular documents can contain, such as a text, graphics, a set of styles and user specific set of information such as a measurement unit, language, the default printer setting and also a toolbar and menu customization. All documents in openoffice.org are based on templates. If you don't specify a template, when you start a new writer document, the document is based on the default template for text document. And next one topic, how to use a template in your document. If you want to using a template, follow these steps. Let's do the practical and learn how to use the template. Firstly, click a file menu, then new, and then click a template and document. And this window is appear. This is our template and document window. Then click our template and then here you select a folder, means category of a template. Then select a template which you want to use and it's open. And this is a template which one I'm selected. You can edit this template, then edit it and then save this document. Click a file, then save and save as dialog box appear. Then type a file name and then save. This is a method for using a template. Next one, how to create own template. Here two ways for creating a template. First way from a document and second one using a wizard. Follow these steps for creating a template from a document. Firstly, here open a new or existing document of the type you want to make into a template. Here open existing document and already typed a letter format. This is a sample of letter and then click a file and then template and save. And this window is appear. Then firstly select your category and then type a new template name and then OK. Your template is ready. Let's use. Firstly click on new, then template and document and click on template and here all previews related to your template is here and then click on OK. Your template is open, which one you created by own self, and if you want to edit this template you can change the address. You can change address and then title of receipt. You can edit full letter. This is the only sample. And second one way, creating a template using a wizard. You can use Wizard to create template for a letter, fax, agenda, presentation, and also a web page. Follow these steps. Firstly, click a file, then click a Wizard, and here so many categories of template like letter, fax, agenda, presentation, web pages, document, so many categories, and follow the instructions of the page of the Wizard. This process is slightly different for each type of template, but the format is very similar. In the last section of the Wizard, you can specify the name and the location for saving the template. This is the second one method using a Wizard. And next one, setting a custom template as a default. And if you want set any template to be a default as long as it is in one of the folder displayed in the template management dialog box, you can follow these steps. Let's do the practical. Firstly, click a file menu, then click new, and then click a template and document, and then click a organize button, and then firstly select a category, and then select your template that you want to set a default, then click a command, and then click a set as default template, and it's your template is set as a default. Then close this window and this one also, and then let's use it's done or not. Let's check. Press a Ctrl N and done. It's open a template. And second one is resetting the default template, and if you want to reset the default template, you can. Let's do the practical. Same, click a file menu, then new, then template and documents, and then organize button, and then command, and then click a reset default template and text document, and close both windows, and let's check it's working or not, and open a blank text document. It's done. And next one topic is editing a template. Editing means if you want to edit a template style and content, and then if you wish, you can reapply the template style to the document that was created from the template. You can follow these steps. Let's do the practical. Firstly, click a file, then click a new, and then template and document, and then organize, and select a category, then select your template, and then click a command button and add it, and your template is open, and here you can add it. I insert a new column here and added some content. Column field name is marks, and then save this file. It's done. And if you want to updating a document, the next time that you open a document that was created from the change template, the following message is coming. Let's do the practical. This message how to come on the display. Firstly, click a file, and then click a open, and select a same file which one created using a template. Select your file, then click on button, and here 3 buttons. First one is update style, second keep old style, and third one is help. If you click update style, to apply the template change style to the document, and if you click keep old style, you don't want to apply the template change style to the document, and any confusion between buttons, you can click help and solve your problem. This is a method for updating a document. And in this video you learn about how to create a own template and use template in a document, how to update, how to set as a default template. So many things you learn in this video, and in the next video you will learn about create and customize table of content. And if you don't subscribe this channel, please do it now for the future update. Press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.